Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a 2-box break. We're hanging out on blog right now, and I'm actually going to shut the TV off because it's extremely loud. 2008 Leaf Limited Football, box number 11. The certified is box number 54, but we'll save that for a second. Limited 4 hits per box. Hoping for something nice. There's the checklist put to the side. Alright, I'm going to mix the packs up because lately we've been getting all the hits in the first few packs, so why don't I do that? Mix them up a little bit. Alright, and there they are, and I'll split it. And let's go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's get a nice autograph in this box here, 2008 Leaf Limited. We have for the Packers, Aaron Rodgers Spotlight, numbered out of 125. And base. So hopefully everyone on YouTube and a blog are having a good Wednesday night. Those on YouTube, I'm sure you're watching this on Thursday. This looks like a hit in here. Unless it's a decoy. It is a decoy, so no hit here. Kevin Walter for the Texans. That one's numbered out of 99, short print parallel. 57 out of 99. And next pack, we have a Legend for the Giants, numbered out of 499, of Phil Simms. For Corey and Jason on the board. Then we have a Phenom for the Chiefs of Kevin Robinson, numbered out of 999. Next, I'm going to put the TV back on because it's way too quiet in my room right now. So no hits yet, almost half. We're about a fourth of the way through the box, and here's our hit. Oh, yeah, it is a hit. Okay. For the Cowboys, very nice. Game-worn jersey, nice start, numbered out of 100 of Roger Staubach. Roger Staubach for the Cowboys. Nice card. There's actually a Phenom I missed of Kevin Robinson at a $9.99 for the... Actually, I didn't miss that. I said it. I just put it on the wrong side. And another hit. It will be very nice. I love these slideshow. It's one of these limited slideshows. This one's numbered 3 out of 50 for the Falcons of Harry Douglas autograph. And you can kind of see it on blog. I'm going to try to... It's hard to see it on blog, actually. And the slideshow is kind of like... It looks a little like... It's like bent a little, the slideshow part. But Harry Douglas autograph out of 50 for the Falcons. No problem. Legend for the Giants again. This one's short printed to 49 of Tiki Barber, who actually said he was trying to make a comeback into the NFL. Legend of Fred Biletnikoff. Wow. Numbered out of 499 for the Raiders. What's up, CV Braves? So still looking for 2 more hits. Phenoms for the Seahawks of Justin Forsett out of 999. For the Jets, we have a Marcus Henry out of 999. Two more hits. We should get one more auto, hopefully. We have an insert for the Patriots banner season of Randy Moss out of $9.99. And this will be our next hit. It'll be a dual jumbo jersey for the Panthers. This one's an eBay 1/1, numbered 1/30 of Steve Smith. It's nice. Steve Smith dual jersey out of, what did I say, 30. 1/30. So there you go, Bobby. And this will be our next hit. It'll be a dual patch. It's actually a jersey and then two-color patch. Low numbered, 5/10. Black and yellow. Tell me the team, guys. Black and yellow. Santonio Holmes. Oh, my God. It is 12 o'clock at night. I apologize. Santonio Holmes, 5/10. I cannot speak tonight. I had a long night. Forgive me. And an insert for the 49ers of Steve Young out of 9.99. So we did get all 4 hits. 2 packs to go in this box. Banner season, Greg Jennings out of 9.99 for the Packers. And final pack of box number 1 will be a legend of Mike Curtis out of 4.99 for the Colts. Alright, so that's box number 1. I'll just do a quick recap. Santonio Holmes, Steve Smith, Harry Douglas, Auto, and Roger Staubach. Alright, moving on to 2010 Certified. Good luck, guys. This is box 54. Box number 54. Keep the checklist to the side. We're looking for some... Who are we looking? Brett Favre, maybe? That would be nice. We have for the Panthers, status red at a 250 of Matt Moore. For the Panthers. Colt McCoy would be nice. We have a redemption. Mirror red signatures, card number 196. And that is going to be David Geddes. Let me just make sure I'm right there. David Geddes. Yeah, David Geddes redemption. Red signatures. So let me write that down. And there it is. So the Panthers. There you go, Bobby again. Gold team for the Colts. This one's numbered out of 9.99 of Peyton Manning. So 3 more hits left in this box. Let's get something big. New generation of Patrick Robinson at a 9.99 for the Saints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 packs to go. Should be 3 more hits in 6 packs. It's a pack of all base there. And wow, another redemption. 2 redemptions in the same box. Awesome. This is Freshman Fabric, card number 301. And card number 301 will be Ryan Matthews. That's actually pretty nice. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. So, Truthy 17 hits. Just write that down. Alright, 2 redemptions in the same box. Panini for the loss. Nice card, though. Aurelius Ben for the Bucks out of $9.99. Certified potential. 3 packs to go. 2 more hits left. This will be numbered out of 250. Jersey Immortals for the Browns of Paul Warfield. Paul Warfield numbered 100 out of 250 for the Browns. Nice old school there. New generation for the Jets of John Connor out of $9.99. And 1 more pack to go. Should be a hit in here. Let's hope. And it is. It's going to be for the Cowboys. It'll be a jersey of Bob Lilly out of 250. Bob Lilly jersey, number 208 out of 250 for the Cowboys. So that's the 2 boxes. We have National Treasures to go. GSN Cards is out.